Are you searching for the best belt sander? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best belt sander in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. VEVOR Pipe Tube Polisher Sander. Features details. High performance. VEVOR Pipe Tube Polisher Sander delivers a robust 1000 W output, providing high power for your sanding tasks. With 6 speed settings, from 1100 RPM to 3200 RPM, you can select the most optimal sanding speed based on various work tasks and different materials. Grit variety for enhanced versatility. Belt sander kit includes sanding belts, offering 20 of each, zirconia alumina in 60 and 80 grits, and brown aluminum oxide in 180, 400, and 800 grits, catering to both coarse and fine sanding requirements. Elevate your sanding projects with the right belt choice. Belt size, 1.5 by 30 inch, superior quality longevity. Our pipe belt sander is crafted from premium aluminum alloy material. Built to withstand rust, corrosion, and scratches. Its integrated aluminum frame prevents belt slippage when under pressure, while the fine surface treatment provides a superior texture. Easy to use, this tube polishing and grinding machine is compact, lightweight, and easy to operate. It features a spindle lock button for quick and convenient driving wheel removal, and the ergonomic soft grip handles achieve your optimal grip and enhance comfort. Versatile, ready for tasks. Whether you're dealing with round pipes, stainless steel, aluminum, iron, plastics, non-ferrous metals, or wood, this tube belt sander polisher has your back. It's your all-in-one solution for rust removal, grinding, polishing, brushing, and mirror surface treatment.